We are here in Amadeo, Cavite, experiencing a different level of camping. This time we have this motorhome called the Ventura Explorer, locally made in Cebu. The materials are made in Japan but manufactured in Cebu City. Let me show you around the features of this motorhome, the Ventura Explorer. Let's go, team. Just quickly, yung Ventura Explorer natin is currently installed on a Hino truck. This is the Hino 514 Euro 4. Ayan. Hino is the truck division of Toyota, di ba? The tires is Yokohama 12PR, 12 ply rating. So, kayang-kaya ng tires niya yung bigat nitong Ventura Explorer. The Ventura Explorer can accommodate 6 adults, no? But before we go inside, ikot muna tayo dito. So as you can see, inoccupy niya talaga yung buong dimensions nung Hino truck, no? What I really like about the design and the craftsmanship is, if you take a closer look here, ang ganda ng pagkaka-integrate, no? Whatever material this is, I'm not sure. Itong material na to, yung paint job na ginawa, yung pag-integrate nito, yung look how clean this is made. You know, parang akala mo out from the Hino factory, akala mo dati na siyang ganyan. Yun ang unang-una ko napansin. Kita niyo itong trim na to, yung lining na to. This reminds me of those speedboats, yung mga yacht na expensive. Look at, di ba? Yung pagkakagawa ang ganda malinis So ayan, meron kang window dyan. There's actually a bed here that's for 2 persons. And then there's your door. You can see from the inside, and then it will also let some light in. And then eto, meron ka ring bintana dito. That's where your kitchen is. This is the luggage compartment. Tapos meron siyang holder dito. Ayan. Ayan. To hold the door. Ayan. So you can freely move around. Okay? So ayan yung mga luggages namin. Ang luwag-luwag pa. Ayan, no? Hindi maximize yung sa bandang taas. Dito nakalagay yung gasol or yung LPG. Ayan. Napaka-light lang naman i-turn. It's so easy. And yung gearing niya is fast enough. Ayan. Nice. May awning na.
Malaki pala.
Hindi na magpapatayo ng ano. And then, these are the 2 feet, left and right, no? Push this papunta doon. Then push this papunta doon. And then, ayan na. Extend this. And then, press this down to lock. And ayan. Ayan na. This is water inlet for your water supply. Ayan. So kung magkakarga ka ng water, lalagyan mo gagamit ka ng hose. And then back here, let's start from the top. You have your 3rd brake lamp, and then meron kang 2 reflectors doon sa corners, and as you can see, meron kang 2 windows. So just refer to the sticker, no? So basically, this is bed number 1. Meron kang sariling window doon. Bed number 2 also has its own window, and then yung second, yung pinaka bottom na layer is basically the luggage. So you can access your luggages from there and here. So parang sa bus, you know, through and through siya, parang isang tunnel. Ang luwag-luwag ng luggage actually, right? And then ayun, eto, meron kang bike rack for 2 bicycles. Ayan. Okay? And then down here at the bottom, ayan, meron kang mga sonar sensors that will help you sa pag-reverse. And then, andyan, meron kang 3 pairs of lights for the turn signals or hazard lights, brake lights, and reverse. And then there, right below the 3rd brake lamp is your camera. So that will serve as your rear view mirror, no? Kasi hindi mo na makikita dito sa likod. So, meron tong monitor doon sa unahan sa driver na ni-replace niya yung position ng rear view mirror. So that is already turned on all the time. So every access to the storage, no, meron siyang individual doors, tapos may mga individual locks. Ayan. So para secured yung luggage mo. Okay? And then meron din siyang door holder. Ayan. Alright? And then down here, meron ka pang extra storage. Ayan. Marami ka pang mailalagay dyan. Maluwag. Dito naman is your access to your waste container. Okay? So may susi siya. Ayan. Ayan yung container natin. This is Dometic. You press this, pull it out like that, and then may lock dito. Lift this, pull, and then ayan. Yan yung pinakang waste box mo. Right? And then ito, you can turn this like that. Open this, and then may i-dispose mo na yung contents niyan. Okay? Ayan. Ayan. Dito naman sa taas is your water container para sa shower. Okay? So, dalawa yung paglalagyan mo ng water. You need to use water hose or garden hose. Dito naman is your access to the fuel tank. Ayan. Your charging port. Diba? So, may sarili siyang connector. Ayan. Saksak mo lang to dito. Ayan. And then, you can just plug this sa home wall socket para mag-charge directly yung battery. Dito naman is your access to the 12-volt battery. Yung battery mismo ng Hino, ng truck. And last but not the least is here, another window. Dito na naman ulit. On top of the Ventura Explorer, meron dyang solar panel, no? So there are 3 ways of charging the battery that supplies power to all the features, amenities inside the motorhome. Number 1, yun na nga, meron siyang solar panel. Number 2, pwede mo siyang i-plug directly sa bahay before you leave, before you go camping. And number 3, pinaka-importante sa lahat, nakakonect yung alternator ng truck. So if you start the engine, it will also charge the battery. Ang ganda, di ba? So it's getting dark. And we'll continue with our tour tomorrow kasi mas maganda kapag nakapag-overnight na kami, na-experience na talaga namin, and then mas maganda yung may share ko sa inyong information. So, stay tuned. Tomorrow, I'll give you a walk around of the features inside. Meron siyang mga monitoring system ng battery and all that. Naki-charge kami dito, no? Pinayagan kami ng owner ng resort. Ayan, no? Tara. Ayan. Nagcha-charge siya. Ayan. Tara, tingnan natin sa loob. Current SOC natin is 37%. Time to full charge is 2 hours and 0 minutes. Battery charge is 13.61 volts. Charge amps 94.22. Yung power niya is 1.2 kilowatt. So mas familiar tayo dito sa kilowatt, dahil sa mga portable charger and sa mga charger ng EV, diba? So yung 1.2 medyo mabagal lang, but anyway, maliit lang din naman kasi yung battery niya. So 1 hour to go na lang. So ito yung pinakang home screen nitong monitoring system niya dito, So ito naman, ito yung sa solar. Tomorrow pakita ko sa inyo to. Right now it's all zero kasi obviously gabi na, 'di ba? So wala tayong solar energy, walang solar charging. Ayan. Solar charging 0, solar charging amps. Dito makikita mo yung starter battery pag umaandar yung engine. Ayun, auxiliary battery charging. Ayan, 13.6. Pareho ba? Tingnan natin. Yung kanina, dito. Ayun, tama. Ayan yun. Auxiliary, ang tawag nila dun sa plug. Dun sa saksakan. It's now 8:58 AM. SOC ng battery is still at 59%. So, nag-start tong AC natin kagabi around 10 PM. And ayan, dami pang battery. Palibasa, it's inverter kaya matipid. Good morning. Magluluto si Madam Pea ng breakfast. Ayan. So ito yung kitchen sink natin. Oops, walang water kasi nakalimutan i-switch on yung motor, yung water pump. Pure Food Standard Juicy Hot Dog. The LPG is located here. Ayan. It's raining. Thank you to the awning. Ayan, no? So at least we can still stay here outside even if it's raining. Oh. Oh guys, rated PG tayo ah. So yung faucet dito sa sink, pwede mo ilagay dito pag ready ka na maligo. Alright? And then may switch yung water pump. You just make sure you turn it on. Tapos ang lakas. O ayan, totoong maliligo ako ha. Gusto ko kasi ma-experience yung talagang maliligo dito sa napakaliit na banyo, di ba? Kasi baka mamaya pilit na pilit. Pero pwede naman, nakatayo naman ako dito. Lakas ng pump. Magtitipid tayo sa water, sakto lang. Kasi marami kaming mag-share ng water, di ba? Oh, magsasabon na ako. Siyempre, hindi nyo pwedeng panoorin. Tapos na tayo maligo. So, ayan ang itsura. Ayan. Yan ang itsura ng banyo after maligo. Okay? So, eto, this gets wet actually. Pero yung material naman niya mukhang okay lang na mabasa. So, meron kang LED lamp dito na I think medyo sobra din eh. Pwede mo din patayin eh. Yun, enough na eh. Ayan. Well, kung gusto kang maliwanag yan, you can just turn it on like that. So, ayan yung ginamit nating shower. Okay? Na, pwede mong ilagay dito. Ayan, dyan. Now, before you start taking a bath, ito yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Okay? So, dito sa may stove, meron ditong button. You turn this on for the water pump. Okay? And then, bago ka rin pumasok, maganda maglagay ka na dito ng rag kasi paglabas mo, basa yung paa mo para hindi ka magkalat dito. Okay? And then, meron ditong drainage. Ayun. You need to remove this para hindi bumaha. Ayan. Ayan. Okay? And then, yung toilet, natu-turn siya actually. Ayan o. Yan. So, kung gagamit ka ng toilet, nakaganyan siya. Kung hindi ka gagamit and then you're just gonna take a bath, move mo siya ng ganyan. Para you have more space here, makakatayo ka dito. Okay? So again, I'm 5'6", 145 pounds. Siyempre, nung naliligo ako, buwabangga-bangga yung siko ko rito. So medyo mag-a-adjust ka lang ng konti. Pero okay naman. Very convenient. Just imagine kung nasa campsite ka, pupunta ka pa sa CR. Eh, ito, nandito na sa loob ng RV mo, di ba? So anyway, pagpasok mo, once you step in, of course, you close this curtain para wala masyadong tilamsik ng water dito sa door mo. Para, you know, ma-prolong mo yung life nito. Kasi MDF to eh. Pag flush mo yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo ha. Don't worry guys ha, malinis ang toilet. Ayan. So, kapag flush mo to, you just press this. Ayan. Magta-turn yung, ayan, may lalabas ng water, magpa-flush. Pero syempre, don't expect na katulad sa airplane na may powerful na gumaganon. Walang ganon. Okay? Tapos may mga indicator lang dito yung level ng water, tsaka yung sa waste disposal kung it's time to dispose the waste. And then what else? May switch dito, ayan. And yeah, ito, I like this, very useful to. Itong cabinet na to for your toiletries. Ayan, nice. Maganda experience. Nandito lang ako sa loob. Hindi ko kailangan lumabas para maligo. Inabot tayo ng ulan dun sa campsite, ano? So nag-change location tayo. So anyway, let's continue with the interior tour of the Ventura Explorer. Let's start here sa main door, okay? So meron kang 2 steps dito, and then meron kang remote control for the stepper. So you press this, open, ayan, lalabas yung step board. Now, kapag ka nakalimutan mo yan, tapos pinaandar mo yung engine, as if tatakbo ka, automatic magfo-fold yan. This is a privacy glass, no? You can see from inside, kita mo yung nasa labas. Pero pag sa labas, hindi ka makita sa loob. Although maaninag ka, makikita nila yung anino mo, yung silhouette mo, and they will know that somebody is inside. But they cannot identify you, hindi nila makikilala yung mukha nyo. But if you want complete privacy, pwede mo rin yung completely isarado. Hindi ka na talaga makikita yan. Okay? And then, this is your door lock. May door handle ka dito. That really feels premium. And then, down here, meron kang dalawang storage. Ayan. Diyan namin nilalagay itong remote. And then, meron ka ditong maliit na trash can. Dito naman sa right side, upon entry, meron kang dalawang cabinets, no? Ayan. Which I think maganda gamiting shoe rack. Right? And then here, ayan, another shoe rack or other items. And then dito, this is your main switch for all the interior lights. Kapag pinatay mo yan, mamamatay lahat except the AC. And then you have here your entrance light. So pag pinatay ko to, ayan, nawala na yung sa ceiling light. So yan naka-on, pero pag in-off ko to, mamamatay lahat. Alright? And this one is for the, I think this is for the battery or the AC. Basta yung instructions na binigay sa akin, if I'm going to use the AC, I need to switch this on. Pagpasok mo, ayan yung dining, sofa, and bed. All at the same time. Mako-convert natin yan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan yung TV. And if we turn to the left, dito, meron kang upuan. Ayan. And then, meron kang dito unlock that. And then, ayan. So, parang extended yung kitchen mo. Dito naman to the right, may access ka dun sa driver, no? Sa side. So, ikaw yung driver, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas. Pwede ka nang tumawid dito, papunta doon. And then, dito sa taas, ito ang pinakamalaking bed. Almost queen size to. Okay? Ayan, siya ang pinakamalapad. Dito natulog si Achi and si Dichi. If you are going to use this as bed, you can pull this. Ayan. Hanggang dyan siya. Yan. O, di ba? Ang lapad-lapad na ng bed mo. Then you have this ladder. Aluminum siya, magaan lang naman. You just need to hook it here. Ayan. Madali na lang umakyat. This window, you can open this. Ganyan. If you want fresh air to come in, ganyan. Turn this knob to hold it open. Ayan. Open na siya. Baka maraming bugs sa labas or mosquitoes, ayaw mo pumasok but you still want the fresh air, you can close this. Ayan. Now, if you are sleeping and you don't want any light to wake you up, or if you just want to have complete privacy, you can close this. Ayan. And the same design on the other side, exactly the same window. Here at this corner, meron kang reading lamp. Just press this. Ayan. Press it longer. Ayan. And then switch it off. There you go. Behind that, you have a storage for your mobile phone. Down here, you have 2 USB ports for charging your devices. You also have curtains here for privacy. Dito naman as dining area, here on top, meron kang malalaking cabinets, no? Ayan. Nice. Very generous storage space. So, meron kang 1, 2, 3 shelves. Maganda sa kanya, itong lock na to, Ito, naglalak talaga siya. So, kapag moving yung Ventura Explorer, hindi siya umaalog-alog. Yan, nice. Estimate ko mga ano to, 41 inches na TV, naka-fix na nga lang siya, dyan na siya. Okay? And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cup holders. And itong table na to is foldable or removable. You just press this, magfo-fold tong paa niya, like that. And then, pull it like that. And then, ibababa mo lang siya dito sa baba. So, ayan, may idea ka na kung ano mangyayari dyan, di ba? Magiging bed yan. So, nasaan yung foam? The foam is here. Isa dito, naka-velcro lang siya. Like that. The other one is here. Ayan. Nice. One thing I like about it is that saktong-sakto yung size, yung pagkakakat. So, pag insert mo, firm siya, fit na fit, hindi aalog-alog. So actually dito kami natulog ni Madam Pea dun nung nasa campsite kami sa Cavite. Nagkasya naman kami dalawa diyan. So meron namang konting daya kasi dito parang meron kang extension, 'di ba? So ayun, medyo nakapag-curve naman ako diyan. So yeah, nakatulog naman kami ng maayos. So kung napapansin nyo, meron pa actually space dun sa baba. Okay? So may storage ka pa dyan kung matutulog kayo. Under the seat, meron siyang little secret. Ayan, no? Meron kang dalawang USB ports and a 220 socket. Hindi lang dyan sa side na yan. There's also another one here. Ayan. Nice, di ba? So madali lang ikabit and tanggalin. It's very easy. Unlock mo lang yan and there you go. And before I forget, it also has individual seat belts. Let's fold this up. Ganyan. And then, I can sit here. Yun. So, if we are driving, if we are moving, so, apat dyan, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm the 5th passenger here. Actually, pwede pa naman isa dyan. Diba? So, total of 6. Let me put this back para kunwari magluluto ako. So, mahaba, extended yung kitchen top ko dito. And then, andito nakatago yung faucet and dalawang burner. So, na-demo ko na to sa inyo, no? Pinakita ko nung nagluto si Madam Pea ng hotdog nung breakfast namin. But anyway, dito sa taas, meron kang microwave. This is your regular microwave at home. Very familiar na tayo dyan. And then here, another cabinet. Ayan, dyan nilalagay yung mga remote control for the AC and the TV. And then another shelf here. Ayan, wow, ang luwag. And meron kang exhaust fan. Alright? So, para kapag nagluluto ka, yung amoy lalabas. So, you can actually see yung exhaust pipe here. Ayan. Andyan. So, sisingaw siya dun sa taas. Palabas ng Ventura Explorer. Alright? Let's try to turn this on. Ayan yung fan. You can hear it. And then, meron siyang ilaw. So, kung mag-i-slice ka rito, di ba? Nice. And then, meron pang additional na pin lights dito. Dito, meron kang lalagyan ng mga condiments. Right? Mga pangluto mo. So, meron ka ditong extra power socket for whatever additional kitchen appliance that you might need. For example, yung rice cooker. Dito kami nag-plug. Another pair of USB A and C to charge your devices. And then, dito yung switch for the water pump. Yung switch na to, para sa water pump for the faucet here sa kitchen sink and then para na rin sa shower sa toilet. Alright? And then, meron ka rin ditong upper box down light. Ayan. Ayun, umilaw siya sa baba. Maganda yan sa gabi. Like that. And then, rear bed light. Let's check this drawer. Ayan, nice. Meron kang utensils organizer. And then down here, gusto ko talaga itong lock na to, no? Very useful siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, andyan yung water pump. Yan yung tumutunog. And then, ang laki pa ng storage mo dito. So, by the way guys, soft close yung mga cabinet niya, no? Ayan. And then dito, meron tayong Dometic refrigerator. Ayan. Mukhang maliit pag tinignan mo sa labas, no? Pero once you open it, maluwag na rin, di ba? Like here, how many drinks ang mailalagay mo dito? Nice, I like it. Tapos ayan, may freezer pa siyang maliit. So, andito lang, single button lang yung controls niya. Dito naman tayo sa bathroom. First thing you will notice is meron ka ditong vertical LED light. So, ang ganda ng illumination. So, pagpapasok ka, ayan. So, dinemo ko na to sa inyo, di ba? Naligo ako dito sa loob. So, before we go to the bed here at the back, pakita ko muna sa inyo to. Meron pala tayong exhaust fan dito. Ayan. So, in case yung exhaust fan dito sa kitchen is not strong enough and sobrang maamoy kung whatever it is that you're cooking, meron ka pang isa pang exhaust dito. Before you switch the fan on, bubuksan mo muna yung covering niya dun sa taas, manually. Ayan. Ayan, bumubukas na. Nakita nyo? Ayan, naka-open na siya. So, this is actually not just an exhaust fan. Dual yung function niya. Pwede siyang exhaust, pwede rin siyang fan. So, let's turn this on. Ayan. Right now, it's working as an exhaust. Hinihigop niya yung hangin from inside papunta sa labas. Now, kung gusto mong baliktarin yan, you want to make it work as a fan. Let's say, malamig sa labas, no? Gusto mong pumasok dito sa loob ng Ventura Explorer, yung lamig ng hangin sa labas, you just switch this on. Ayan. Mag-off muna siya. Papatayin niya muna and then magre-reverse. This time, pumapasok yung hangin from outside. Nice. And then, meron din siyang speed. Makokontrol mo yung speed niya. Ayan. Nice. Let's go to the back. So, meron tayong double deck, no? And the same kind of window, ma-open mo to let the air in. Pwede ka maglagay ng screen para di pumasok yung mga bugs and mosquitoes. And then you can also completely close it if you want privacy, or if you don't want sunlight to get inside and wake you up, right? And then, andun meron ka ulit na reading lamp. And look at that, meron ka pang extra shelf. So, pwede ka maglagay ng books, ng laptop, ng mga devices mo. Look at yung design sa corner. Parang bahay, no? Honestly, guys, when I was driving this, wala akong naririnig na rattling dito sa loob. Very solid ang pagkakagawa. If there's really one thing na mapapansin mo agad dito sa Ventura Explorer is the craftsmanship. Kahit si Tito Ted, the first time he saw this, yun agad ang napansin niya. Sabi niya, ang ganda ng craftsmanship. Makikita mo, mafe-feel mo talaga guys, in person pag nakita nyo in person. I don't know if nafe-feel nyo sa video, but ako, I can easily tell, the first time I really saw this, yun agad ang napansin ko. Dito sa baba, ayan, the same thing. Meron ka ring reading lamp, and then two USB ports, and then the same type of window, and yun, may extra shelf ka dito. And then, eto pa, you can lift this like that, and you have access to the storage. Ayan, no? Yan yung sa storage, yung pinakita ko sa inyo sa labas, di ba? Yan yung door niya, left and right. Ayan. So, you can strategically position your luggage, yung mga kakailanganin mo later on, for the kitchen, yung mga food, pwedeng ilagay mo dyan sa gitna para you can easily get them here from inside. Like what happened yesterday na inulan kami. So, wala kang mahirap lumabas para kunin yung gamit mo from outside. Mababasa ka. So, pwede mong kunin dito. Nice. That's it, guys. Nag-level up talaga yung camping experience namin with this Ventura Explorer. Ang sarap ng feeling na when we arrive at the campsite, di na namin kailangan mag-set up ng tent. Wala nang awning. Ready na. Sinet up na lang namin yung awning dyan na very easy, and then table and chairs, and that's it. And then, ang pinakamasarap sa lahat, nung uwian na, time to go home, di kailangan magligpit ng tent. Just imagine, umulan, no? Di ba? Ang hirap magligpit ng tent na basa. Patutuyuin mo pa, pupunasan mo pa, tapos madumi sa kotse and all that. Ito, very easy. So, ibang klaseng experience. We really enjoyed. We would like to thank Nuts RV for lending us this Ventura Explorer. Guys, check them out. They are based in Cebu. Ilalagay ko dyan sa screen yung Facebook page nila. Mag-message na lang kayo if you are interested. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, nagustuhan nyo. And thank you guys for watching. As always, please drive safe. Bye. Guys, we closed 2025 strong. We now have almost 38,000 teammates sa YouTube, more than 17,000 sa Facebook, at dumadami na rin tayo sa TikTok and Instagram. Thank you. Thank you so much for riding with us. Ngayong 2026, we will bring you more Pru test drives na inaabangan ninyo. Kaya kung hindi ka pa kasama, mag-subscribe at mag-follow na kayo to officially join the team. Marami pa tayong pupuntahan ngayong taon. Let's go, team!